Hey, what's up subscribers? Just showing you how you can make a simple iPad mount for your car in less than 5 minutes. Now what you're going to need for this project is a threaded rod from the hardware store, and some screw eyes, just like this one here. Okay, it comes in a bunch of assorted sizes. I basically picked the size that fit best for the rod. Alright, so you're also going to need some hex nuts that I have right in there. Alright, and those are going to actually lock the rod into place. Now, you're going to need some cutting pliers as well. It's a nice heavy duty set. I actually use this to cut the rod and to tap the eye screws into the plastic mold on the dash itself, as you can see there. So, took the rod, just use my hand to basically measure the width of the iPad, marked it off, and I cut it with the pliers. After that, I lined it up somewhere in the dash. As you can see, I used this plastic mount right here, and I actually used the eye screws to tap into the dash itself. Once I got those, then I was able to send my rod straight on through, and I secured them in place with the hex nuts you see on either side. There and there to lock it into place. Attaching the iPad is pretty simple. Just using the standard case, just slide it right on into place. Just like that. Right over the CD player, eh? Now, I got my auxiliary cord. Shut in there, lift the iPad up, and now I'm ready for business. Power on, got the auxiliary on there, turn on my iPad, turn up the volume a bit. And I'm ready to play some music. Ready to go. And that's all it is. In under 5 minutes you can have your iPad mounted up and playing in your car. Thank you, signing off.